my gorgeous, this is Hema from Shivani's Boutique, spreading colors globally. What's new today in Shivani Boutique? It's going to be the kurti concept. Right now I'm wearing a kaftan and this is how the model is. Kaftan is really comfortable to wear, and this season it's going to be the kaftan season, and whoever is going to try new kaftans, instead of going for a higher range, you can go for a lower range. Try it out, and if you're really liking and if you feel very comfortable, actually this dress is very comfortable. Trust me, that's what I'm wearing this. Alright, let's start the show. So the first one is this, same to same as instructed. You take your inch tape and then measure your chest size. If it is coming 20 or 22, that is 40, 44 size, just place the order. That's all. It is that much easy it is. And here is the parallel pant, same parallel pant which I am wearing. We have got all the 4-5 sizes in each of the dresses. And the next one is once again the kaftan. Here you can tie it or loose so that this string is given, and this is the print. This is so pretty color. The color is really wonderful, and once again it's a parallel pant like how I'm wearing, like this it comes. Hope you guys can see the pant which I am wearing. So kaftans are going to rock this season, trust me. Once again, this is also a kaftan print, a lovely color. It is a chiku based color with a wonderful block printed, and see, this is the rope once again, and I wanted to show the pant. All the pant comes as the parallel pants like how I am wearing. So this is how it looks. All right, and next, this is only kaftan without any pants, so that you can mix and match any other tights, leggings or something like that. The print is so nice and amazing. Such a lovely, beautiful print it is. All right, and see this. This is also traditional kaftan. Such a beautiful flow it is. So nice and fine, elegant dress. And once again, it has a parallel pant with a mild work on the pant. Hope you guys can understand and see clearly how the kaftan is. All right, and then the next, this is a 3-way concept. This is a coat model kind. All right, and let me show you how it looks. This could be worn as a kurti without coat. The coat is detachable. All right, and then we have made it as a set wise as well. This comes along with the skirt. All right, if you want only skirt also, we have availability, so that you can make use of that as well. So this is a set wise of 3, totally 3. Okay, and what's next? See, this is simple, elegant kurti with an amazing print, and casual wear, office wear, however, work from wear, however you can name it, and you can use these salwars. Maintenance is zero maintenance, so it comes along with a parallel pant with an elastic. All right, the next one is a muslin fabric. It's so nice and nice color as well. It's a pale pink with a blue printed attached on the top, and once again it has a muslin pant. It's a parallel pant. So this is how it looks. All right, what's next? See this, a nice fine cotton fabric, thick fabric. It is so nice, and the maintenance is also zero maintenance for these fabrics, and it comes along with the parallel pant with a beautiful embroideries on the pant. So this is how it looks. So nice and beautiful. It is simple, decent kurtis. So whatever I'm showing, it is simple and decent ones with low maintenance. So this is once again a pale purple color top. It comes with a parallel pant as well. So the pant here is little different. So this is how it is. The pattern is entirely different in this. So see the color combination. So nice and very pleasant color as well. Then comes yellow color. See this. With a collar neck, and you have got nice prints all over, and also small little works here and there, value added concept. And once again it has a pant. It's a parallel pant, and the here it comes this way. It's a different new style it is. So this is how it looks. All right, what's next? Then our all-time favorite indigo color. This print is so nice, and it's a casual wear. As I said before, it's like zero maintenance, and it is a modal silk fabric. It comes along with a parallel pant. So this is how it is. Usually modal silk is zero maintenance. You can even machine wash this modal silk fabric, and here there is no cut. It's a wait. Here there is a cut. So this is how it looks. And what's next? See this nice pleasant color. It's a green, pale green color concept. It comes with a pant this way, and see the embroidery is so beautiful in this. Hope you can see it clearly. For any prices and product descriptions, log on to our website www.shivanisboutique.com under the heading kurtis, or else if you have any doubts, you can WhatsApp us 95855011762. It's a nice beautiful muslin fabric. For this fabric, zero maintenance. You can just like that office wear. So whoever don't want to maintain your stuff can absolutely go for this. And this is a Kali pattern. It's a closed cut pattern, flare model. Okay, and see this, our regular kalamkari printed stuff with value added. This gives a little bit of richness and sheen, and also you can find minute hand embroideries on the top. So this is how it is. It's a floor length. So just like that you can wear this as such without any leggings, or just like that you can go for it. Very, very comfortable to wear. And the second design in that is this different print. It's a nice cotton, best for our Indian climatic condition, and you have got all this tassels and everything, and it's a floor length. So this much it comes. You have got a beautiful gota patti work as well on the top. Then comes our muslin. Muslin is very easy maintenance. You need not maintain itself. Just like that you can go for machine wash, and it's a casual wear, office wear. You can find a bandhani printed. It's not original bandhani, it's bandhani printed, where you have got a work on the neck and for the sleeves, and the cut comes like this way it is. So nice, it is something nice and beautiful. All right, see this multicolored one. It's very nice, all over embroidery looks, but it is not embroidery, it's just the print, all over print, where the 3/4 sleeves on both the sides, and you have a rope as well, so that you can tie it however you want it to. Tassels. It's a floor length concept. Next, see this bandhani. We have got two colors. The first one is this all-time favorite. All time it keeps moving for us, and people keep asking for this, and it has a parallel pant as well. So this comes in a set-wise top along with a pant, or else kurti along with a pant only. And the second color is this. It's a deep blue color, and it comes with a pant. So we have got all the sizes, 5 sizes, so that you can choose your size and then place your order. If you have any queries in sizes, nothing, just take your inch tape, measure it over here in your ready-made kurti, and then place your order. It's as easy as that. Okay, and this is a plain cotton top with a nice Parsi work on the neck. So this is how it is. It's very light as well. And the second Parsi work concept is this. See this vertical stripes, and along with the concept, it gels really beautiful. And see, this is how it looks. It's only kurti. All right. See, this color is something really nice, fine, sober. It comes with a ikat print. Whoever loves ikat can go for this, and the color is really pretty cool. And my last pieces are these two, all-time favorite. Well, it comes only with a kurti concept, and red and then pink color. You can mix and match your top and pants with your dupattas, however you wanted to. Hope you guys enjoyed seeing our collections. We'll be back with lots and lots of collection. Thank you so much and bye.